Donkey Kong. Donkey Kong. Donkey Kong. Donkey Kong. Donkey Kong. Hey, look at here. You are looking at a control panel. Original button, original joystick. Doesn't quite sound the same, but and the reason for this control panel is for mame. Mame is what Vincent LeMay uses on his Donkey Kong challenge. He doesn't actually have a Donkey Kong machine. So I thought I'd make up this panel. I've been working on this for 2 days. Piece of wood, some black paper from the dollar store, 3 sheets of photo paper, some buttons I had lying around, and some original equipment. Good luck, Vincent. I hope you do well.